Hey, what's up? This is Adriana Gamer, and let's fix your black screen issue while recording games with the OBS Studio. So just click on Properties and click on Compatibility, and just make sure this is turned on, and click Apply and then OK. After that, you have to go to the Open File location where you have installed the OBS and search for graphics settings. Here you have to browse the OBS file location where you have installed the OBS. Click on OBS File Studio, then bin 64-bit and open OBS 64 and click on options, then click on high performance, and now it will work with the graphics card and everything will be fine. So please do subscribe if it worked and let me know if it didn't, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.